Polynomial p of x leaves a remainder 2 when divided by x minus 1 and a remainder 1 when divided by x minus 2. Fine. The remainder when p of x is divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2. It's a beautiful question. Fine. So we know that p of x divided by x minus a, remainder is p of a. From this we know p of 1 is 2 and p of 2 is 1. Nice, brilliant. P of 1 is equal to 2, p of 2 is equal to 1. But how do we find out what is the remainder when p of x is divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2? That is very tricky. What do? We reframe this. P of x by x minus 1, remainder is 2. This means p of x is x minus 1 times some q of x plus 2. You have p of x divided by x minus 1. You keep dividing, write down all the things, and then finally you get remainder 2. Here there is a q of x. Any number is a divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means p of x is x minus 1 into q of x plus 2. Likewise, p of x is x minus 2 into r of x plus 1. Brilliant. So I'm going to rewrite this. P of x is q of x into x minus 1 plus 2. P of x is not q of x, some r of x into x minus 2 plus 1. Now we need to have x minus 1 into x minus 2. What do we want to do? We want to write p of x as some f of x, not f of x. F of x seems like it's a function. P r t of x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus some remainder p q r s t u v, v of probably v of x. V of x is a remainder. Remainder need not be just a number. It could be itself a function of x. We want to find what this v of x is. How do we do this? We do this as a brilliant method. We call this equation 1, call this equation 2, multiply equation 1 by x minus 2, equation 2 by x minus 1. Remember, this is what we want to achieve in the end. When we do that, what do we get? We get p of x into x minus 2 equals q of x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 2x minus 4. 2 into x minus 2. X minus 1 into p of x is r of x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus x minus 1. I'm going to call this equation 3, equation 4. Remember, there is q of x into x minus 1 into x minus 2, r of x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. If I add these two, x minus 1 into x minus 2 will be there, which I like. And then this remaining part will be there, which also I like. But then that will be x minus 2 into p of x plus x minus 1 into p of x. 2x minus 3 times p of x, which I'm not very happy with. Right? But if I subtract one from the other, if I subtract equation 4 minus equation 3. From this I subtract this because this is x minus 1, that is x minus 2. From x minus 1 I subtract x minus 2. I'll get p of x equals r of x minus q of x times x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus x minus 1 minus 2x plus 4 minus x plus 3. Now this is exactly like this. T of x is r of x minus q of x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. This side is p of x, or the remainder is minus x plus 3 or 3 minus x. Brilliant question.